Hi, glad you could join me again for my illustration tutorials, and welcome to this series on how to draw cartoon characters. Okay, this next cartoon character is Lisa's brother, Bart Simpson. Now Bart isn't as clever as Lisa, but he's smart and cheeky. Okay, now like Lisa, I'm going to start off with the typical big circular eyes that all of the Simpson characters have. And again, the character of Bart will be looking to the side slightly. So we've got one eye overlapping the other, coming around like that. Okay, and the nose a bit broader than Lisa's, like that. Okay, and the side of the mouth, you know, this sticky out shape that you get in the Simpsons, not as pointed as Lisa's, more straight down like that, up to a curve. Okay, and then a little bit of shape there for an eyebrow, and then his head is long and narrow, you know, comes up like that on either side, up like that. Okay, and a curve at the top, but of course what you've got at the top are all these wee jagged shapes like that. Okay, and then the ear again is down almost opposite the bottom of the nose there, comes down a bit there. Okay, and then the neck comes on. Then you get a little kind of under bit here for his chin or his bottom lip, whatever. Okay, and then his t-shirt. Now his body shape is a bit like a cut down version of Homer's, you know, a bit like a pear shape like that. Okay, so it comes down from his chest there, and then kind of bulges out a bit on his tummy, but there like that, and his back as well. But this arm here, you can see it with the t-shirt sleeve there, and his arm coming out fairly parallel lines coming down to about there where he'll be stuck in his pocket, and the bottom of his t-shirt comes just there, and on his back coming in that line there. Okay, and then the shape of the bottom part is again follow that curve, and then a wee curve there with his hand in his pocket, and the bottom of his shorts coming in there, like that. The other arm will come in, you see a bit of the t-shirt there, another arm peering behind his body there. Okay, again, the legs, like Lisa's, very short. In this case, very straight down to very simplified kind of sneaker shapes, like that. Pointed feet shapes. A bit like baseball boots, really. You get that kind of circular shape on the side. So there's Bart roughed out. So let's ink in now. Okay, let's start with the eyes again. And his big peepers. Come around in a nice circle like that. And people going in. And a nice big circle here. And the other one there. Okay, that is nose, and a bit broader than Lisa's. Okay, and not so pointed on the mouth. Right, and a wee bit of an eyebrow there, and then maybe slow back a bit, like that, before you go into the what you used to call a crew cut. this sharp hairstyle he's got here, and the line of the back of the head down to the ear. You get a line like that, and then a wee line under it, and then the neck continuing, and the little kind of chin or lip shape in there, and then the t-shirt. See the back comes up a bit slouchy, the whole kind of you know, he's a 10-year-old teenager. And I got the front, his tummy sticking out with the t-shirt, the back of it here. Then the other side of his arm coming in there, and then this arm coming out of that sleeve, more or less parallel, coming down to his pocket shape there, and the kind of bulge with his hand in his pocket, and then the bottom of the t-shirt coming in there. Okay, and then the bottom part of his body coming in that curve shape, as I suggested, the pear shape, at the bottom of the shorts coming in, and the other one coming in there. Then his wee legs coming down, straight down like that. down to the kind of simple sock shapes, and then the baseball boot shape pointed foot. It is simple shapes. Okay, and the circle there, and the lines with the soles. So there's Bart, ready to get up to mischief, no doubt. Okay, so you can see it was quite easy to do that, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can join me in my next tutorial when I'll be drawing another cartoon character for you. So in the meantime, all the best, and happy drawing!